Hi student, in previous lecture we discussed outside a class definition. The class point can be defined into mainly four parts. First one is a class declaration, second one is a class function definition, third one is a object declaration, and fourth one is a accessing member function by using object. First two part we discussed in a previous lecture. In this lecture, we discuss the third and fourth part, that is the object declaration and accessing member function using the object. The object it is nothing but a runtime entity whose data type is a class. Class is a one user defined data type, and in that the class object is a common variable name. So we say that the object is runtime entity whose data type is a class. Next, how the object can be declared in our program. There is a syntax. First one, we give the class name. Next, we give object name. Here class name is any valid variable name which is declared before this the syntax, before this the example, or before this the part. We write a class declaration and outside or inside a function definition. After that, in a third part of the program, we can be write a object declaration. In after void main, we give the class name and object name. Here class name is any valid variable name which is we declared before, and object name is also any valid variable name which is not declared. Object is any valid variable name. For example, if we declare the student class, student, and object name is a. Object name is any valid variable name. Here I can be write variable a. It tells that a is a common variable or the object name whose data type is a student, or a is a member of a student class. A is a object of a student class. First we give the class name. Next, for example, second one, if our class name is a test, and I can be write the variable b. It tells the compiler that here b is a object of class test. Okay. Third one is if our class name is marks and object name is p or physics, then it tells that physics is a object name whose membership is in a class marks. Got it? That is, object can be declared after that a class name. First we give the class name and then we can be write the object name. Fourth part of the class is accessing member of a class. How the member function can be accessed by using the object. There is also one syntax. First we give object name and we give right here the function name. Suppose I can be use the input function. Here is a dot operator or period operator. That is first object name and after that the function name, any function name. Suppose here function name. Suppose our object is a physics, then we can give the period operator or the dot operator, and if here is a function, then we can be write input function. Okay. Next, our object is a b. If in this program I can be write the function display, then you give the function name and after that we give semicolon. If our object is a input calculation, Suppose I can be use the cal function for a calculation. A dot cal. That is a method of the accessing member function in a class. In a accessing member function in a class, it is totally depend on the object. First we give the object name and after that we give the class name. That is a fourth part of the class point. And in after that we can be discuss the different programs related to the class. Okay.